Okay, people, we are at Last Stop Haunt. The wind is really ridiculous right now. So I've been noticing there's a lot of things blown over and kind of jacked up. He took his Last Stop Haunt topper down from his columns. I can see it's on the ground. I'm sure he'll put it back up. The high wind is supposed to stop at 2 o'clock tonight, so he'll probably get it set back up. I'm going to probably try to come back over here tonight and do the small walkthrough in the cemetery, but let's look at it during the day and then we'll get a night shot later. On Friday, I'm going to try to go to a couple of haunts that are only running Friday, Saturday with their lights on. So, all right, let's go check out Last Stop Haunt. Yeah, so right now, he took his sign down. It looks like it may have actually blown down and hit that because it smashed that light, and it looks like some trim blew off. So yeah, this wind is really wreaking some havoc, but this is super awesome. He has a giant, oh, he's actually out, the garage is open. He might actually be out here right now, but he's got a huge pumpkin patch. He's got his Headless Horseman out. I'm not going to take my Headless Horseman out tonight. I kind of need to. But he's got some photo ops. He's got the Headless Horseman there. And so this is the exit. It says the entrance is this way. Oh, he has the Grim Reaper. I didn't know he had that guy. I love my Grim Reaper. But wow, this is pretty cool. I've never seen him bring the cemetery out this far. This is pretty cool. So yeah, this is definitely a smaller event for him when he normally does the big haunt. So I guess you walk through here. Woo! Oh man, his column literally just blew down. Let me go see if he needs my help. Holy smokes. My hat blew off. Went to go chase my hat, and then the column blew down. Hey, the column just blew down.
No.
Woo! Okay, that was crazy. So my hat blew off while I was videoing. His freaking column, and they're heavy columns. I mean, he made that stuff like really heavy duty. That thing blew over, crushed the light on the front. So he's out here repairing it right now, so I actually stopped recording. He's gonna work on it the rest of the day, and I'm gonna come by at night. He said he should have everything back up and running, that he's gonna be fully running tonight. So he's repairing. He's right there. There's Neil. Oh, he went behind the column. Anyway, he's working on stuff. Everything's falling over. We got some really super high winds. Are supposed to stop around 2 o'clock today. So anyway, that was an adventure with this fun wind. And then we'll see you again tonight. We'll see what it looks like at nighttime, and we'll do a full walkthrough. All right, guys, I have made it back to Last Stop Haunt. He fixed his sign, fixed his columns. Man, looks like nothing ever happened. He must have went and bought, he must have, either he had lights or went and bought new ones, because those look amazing. So look at that. Neil just got it together. We'll do another walk across the front real quick. He's got his pumpkin patch out. He's got his pirate scene going on. Alright, so I guess let's do the walkthrough. It says, enter here, please wear a mask and social distance. Enjoy a safe and happy Halloween. Alright, here we go. So he has a little trail through here. Dude, that's really cool looking at night. I really like that. Ooh, big spider scene. That's pretty cool. Man, I really like this big spider. I should have got that spider from Home Depot that year. Oh, that tombstone is really nice. So we got, what we got in here? Oh, that's for the real baby. It's a pirate area. There's a pirate in the chest. We got rum. We got the pirate up in the tree. That's cool. We got this lady. Cool. So that's the little walkthrough, which is pretty cool. And then he has a couple of photo ops. He has a video projection going on in the window here in the pirate area, which is really cool. He's got the Headless Horseman going on.
My room is unbroken with the boston of my door. Take thy beat from out my heart, and take thy form from off my door. Quoth the raven, evermore. And the raven, never flitting, still is sitting, in the palace of peace, just above the chamber. His eyes. That is cool.
So there it is. Last stop haunt. The last stop you'll ever make.